Hello there techies, this is Malay Vasauda and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will take a look at how can we disable the page comments into the modern sites using PnP PowerShell. Now I have one team site and I also have one communication site. If you are into site pages, if you open any of the page, you will see a section to add the comments here. Okay, and similarly, even in the communication site, when you open any of the page, as you can see here, we also have a section to add the comments. Now let's just say that you would like to disable these comments across all the sites. So what we can do is we can head over to the SharePoint Admin Center. Let's wait for that to load. Click on Settings. Click on Classic Settings page since we don't have the option which we want here. And scroll all the way down and look for comments on the site pages. You can see that's enabled. So you can disable the comments now. This is a tenant level setting. So what that means is every single site in this tenant after setting this will not have the comments section. So if we click on OK, and now if we go and refresh this, let's scroll down and you will see we will not have that section. This is the communication site. Let's also head over to the team site. Let's refresh the page. And you can see the comment section is gone. Okay, let's go ahead and enable that back. Enable, hit OK, and we should get the comments section back. There we have it. Okay, also we have now back on the communication site as well. Now let's say if you would like to disable the comments on a specific page, what you can do is you can click on edit the page, scroll down, and you can disable the comments and republish. That will allow you not to show the comments section on a specific page. Let's re-enable it for now. However, let's say if you want this functionality only to be there for a specific site, then we do not have any option to set this up at the site level from UI. We only have an option to work with PnP PowerShell and get this done. So let's get started. Okay, so we have a PowerShell open in the Visual Studio Code and I'm importing the module PnP PowerShell since we already have installed it. I'm also connecting to the IT department site because I want to disable the comments for all the pages of the IT department site. Okay, now let's go ahead and start working with the disabling of the comments for the pages. So for that, first we will do is get PnP list item. Let's specify the list. List is going to be the site pages. We are only going to retrieve the pages. There can also be the folder. So let's specify the where close, opening braces and curly braces, $_ dot, and then we will be going with the file system object type equals. So we are looking at the file. Okay, so now we have got all the site pages. Let's store them into a variable pages. Let's iterate through all the pages. So for each $ page in pages, let's open and closing brackets. Now we will be setting up the individual page. So set PnP page identity, we are going to give it as a page. We need to specify file leaf ref, that's the file leaf reference. Okay, and then let's specify comments enabled to false. Okay, and that is it. We can also write a success message that let's write host comments disabled successfully for and then let's just copy this and let's give a foreground color to green. Alright, so let's go ahead and execute this. Okay, let's provide the credentials to connect to IT department site. Comments disabled. Okay, so we are into IT department site. Let's hit refresh and we should not see a comment section. So that's correct, we do not have it. Let's go back and validate the other page as well. We have a sample test page too. We should not have the comment section here as well. So that's right, we don't have it. Now let me show you the topic home. So topic home is the home page. Okay, and if we go and edit this, so this is how you can use PnP PowerShell to disable the comments on all the pages of a particular site. Thank you so much for watching the video.